my journey. I know it's Miss Universe season, but I hope that you will never ever forget the one and only.
Wow!
Especially
thank
sa
you
November
naman.
24.
Yes, please.
Wait, I'll just carry on like that.
Confirm ako backstage po siya ng Universe.
Eh, mo sa kagaling.
Mama! Where have you been?
Where have you been?
Umaura. Naka-wing eye eh.
Emma, may tanong lang ako na, mag-host ka ba ng Miss Universe?
Ay, wala pa po sinabi sa akin. So, we're waiting pa rin. Pero I have the schedule of the Miss Universe activities. So, we'll wait for the announcement.
When is your homecoming? We're looking forward to
My
that.
homecoming, my grand homecoming is on November 24. I hope hindi mapapalitan. So, I'll see you very, very soon.
Wow!
Counting the
Bongga!
days.
From Manila to
Hulaan niyo
Pampanga.
anong kulay yung gown.
Ah!